Hi guys, Putin here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make a fake error message box using Windows app, which comes with Windows. So the app is Notepad. So Notepad can be used to make fake boxes like that. Okay, fake error message box. So if you see my last tutorial about sandbox, you can see that I made a box which shows me PC hacked. Your hacker is controlling your PC. Uh, Please click OK to accept. So I will show you some uh, methods to do that. I mean, one method to do that, and some other tricks which you can do to make it a little more interesting. Okay, so let's jump into the PC and I'll show you how you can do that. Go to the search box and type Notepad. Get it to full screen mode, and I'll zoom it a little so that it could be visible well. So just click on X is equal to, I'll give this code in the description box. You can just copy it and paste it. MsgBox open bracket, then you go ahead and um, double quotation, click on double quotations, then you give the message description here. Okay, you should not type there's a message description as I have written. You should give the title. Just I have wrote just for your reference. Okay, anyway, no, we'll do like that. Okay, then I'll put a comma and you can put 0 plus 16. Last time in that video which I made, I used 0 plus 16. Then I'll show you what is that 0 and 16. No, nothing to worry. So I'll just go ahead and click on another double quotation and give the title. So this is the formula for code for then close the parentheses also. Okay, then this is the code for making error message box. I'll give in the description of the video. So now then I will show you how you can I mean what is that 0 plus 16. I have a document in that. Okay, number before the plus, that is where I wrote the 0 here. This 0, yeah, this one. This one is OK button, just it will give OK button, and if you get 1, it is equal to 0. I mean, no, it's not 0, it's 1. So it's equal to OK or cancel button. If you give 2, it will give abort, retry, or ignore. So 3 is equal to yes, no, cancel, and 4 gives yes or no only. Yeah. So the number after the plus. So in this case, I have included 16, right? So that's what is it showing. So 16 is critical icon, that is X in a red circle. Warning icon is exclamatory mark in triangle. Warning message icon, I think it's question mark. Sorry, it's just information icon is showing some informations, and warning message icon, it's a warning. Yeah. So now let's close this. I'll give the details in the description. No need to take screenshot, nothing like that. I'll show you the description. Okay. So now I'll open this and I'll give the description here. Okay, here's the description of this message as PC hack. Hacker and Controls gets full control. Oh, it's like a message from hacker, so I'll no need to include a hacker. I got full control. Full control over this PC. Ha ha ha, something like that. Yeah. So quotations closed. Then after that, okay, yeah, sure. Okay. Our title I will give error hack. So hacked. Yeah. It's giving an alert. Okay. Then now I have typed all this. Then I get file. Then you see it as save as option. So under that I'll go to all files. Then here I'll type a name. So okay, this time what I'm going to do is I'll give it an icon of Internet Explorer, then Internet Explorer, so that when someone opens my PC and double click on that file to search something in Internet Explorer, then immediately he gets a message hacked. Oh my god, let's leave this PC, it'll run away, like something like that, some pranks like that. Okay, Internet Explorer. So it already shows .ink, but we need .vbs. So I'll save this file. I got Internet Explorer as the heading, but I included .vbs. It will not show that one, so he's here. It will not show that .vbs here, so nothing to worry. I got this Internet Explorer, but how can I change the icon? I said before as well, I can't change the icon. You can change open with app and others, but anyway, I will show you how to change the icon in a different way. So what I'll do is I'll put this in my folder, personal documents. Then I'll just search for the Internet Explorer. Then I'll right click on it and you can right click on this. Then I will create a shortcut for this. You see create shortcut option here. Then you see shortcut over here. Okay, this what I get the message. Okay, I'll click on it. So I got a shortcut. Now what I'll do is if I double click, it will show error hacked, PC hacked. I got full control over this PC. Ha ha ha. So I will change this icon now. Now you can go to this properties and change the icon here. You have changed icon. You can change the icon of the file directly. I think I have some Internet Explorer icon over here. Maybe. Yeah, I got. Okay, this or this. What the same. Let it be this. Okay, got it. I'll apply this change. Then okay. Add the icon of Internet Explorer. Let it be one of the apps in this group. Okay, let it be near the. Then what? Well, this is over here. Then how can the person be cheated as well? I'll just delete it. It will be in my recycle bin. Afterwards, I can restore this file. You can see that I have it in my recycle bin. Internet Explorer. Okay, nothing to worry. Let's go ahead and close the recycle bin. Then I see Internet Explorer over here. Then once if someone comes and so it's showing a shortcut, I don't want it. I'll just rename and click on it so that will not cut everything. Yeah, just give the title. So now what else is there? Just come in, someone will come in and double click on it. Oh my god, it's hacked my PC. Oh my god, who hacked this? I made some mistake. Okay, run away, that's it. So if I click OK, it's going on. So another prank with it is I'll just go ahead and open file location, and I will right click on it and go ahead and edit this file. So in this, what I'll do is I'll get an intro, then I'll just copy this message totally. I'll paste it here, then here I'll give it, what do I do, what title, no. Okay, click accept, or else I will I'll delete important files. Okay, that's okay, no need. Let's let this, I don't want this much large title, so I'll cut it. So here I'll now you get here in this title. I'll type as danger. Yeah, both the side exclamation marks on both the side, danger. Oh my god. So next, okay, then here also I'll give I don't need to give the same thing. 1 minute, I'll show you some other. So this is a warning I'm giving to him. Click OK or else I'll delete files. Okay, it's a warning, right? So warning icon I'll give it here. Then yes, no. So you have that option, but okay. Okay, this time we can give yes, no. Because okay, cancel. Okay, I'll give this 1 and 32. 1. Yeah. So now if I go ahead and hit the file menu and save it, then I'll close this code. And if I right double click on Internet Explorer, you get this message. If I click on OK, click accept or else I'll delete important files. Okay, this is okay, this question mark. Okay, let it be. Let me edit it. This here. Okay, it's showing question mark. Actually 32 is question mark, but by mistake I wrote, I think, and 32 48. I made a mistake. Anyway, I just saved the file. Now PC hacked, full control got. So this is the symbol I want. Click X, click OK, or I will delete all the important files. Okay, I click cancel anyway. But if he is the person who is accessing instead of me, then he should click OK. But nothing will happen to my PC as this is a fake one. Okay, then to do some other prank, some more prank in this, I'll just go ahead and edit it. Okay, I get, then above I will write do, and below I come ahead and I'll write loop. Now I'll save this file, and then now you see the joke. Okay, again, both are continuously repeating. I hate this. But what if you click this X? Oh, 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 making me tense. So to stop this, you have to go to your task manager and end the task of this. So now I'll right click on it and edit this file. So instead of here, I put do here. Here I click on do. Then what? Let's see what's happening. I can save it. Then how crazy! Again. Some may get tensed up and just shut down this PC. But I don't recommend that. Instead, you have a simple, easy method that you can go to Task Manager. Then you have Microsoft Windows based that app. You have to right click any task. So that's how you can create fake virus messages in your notepad. So hope this video helps you. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.